Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so today I'll be unboxing my new smartwatch. This is my first smartwatch. So it's the Samsung Galaxy Active Watch. So this is the box it comes in. This watch normally sells for £200 at Argos UK, but they've got a special offer going on at the moment. So I managed to pick it up for £140. So I'm not sure if it's going to remain at that price. Maybe it might go back up to the full £200. But at the moment, it's selling for £140. So it's a really great deal and it's a good little smartwatch. So this is the box it comes in. And this is a picture of the watch itself on the box. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. And here it says lightweight smartwatch, advanced auto fitness tracking, HR and GPS. It's also water resistant, up to 50 meters. And here on the back again, Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. It has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, and use with smartphone running Android 5.0 or higher, and RAM 1.5 gigabytes and above. Supported devices vary depending on your region, operator and device brand. Okay. Available memory capacity is subject to preloaded software. So yeah, just going to open this up. I'll just run through some of the specs as well. So it has a 1.1 inch display, 360 by 360 pixels, no video recorder. It has 768 megabytes of RAM, Exynos 9110 processor, and it has a 230 milliamp hour battery. Okay, so you can use Samsung Pay on this device. 50 meters of water resistance, IP68. Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen with 16 million colors. Corning Gorilla Glass 3. It also has an always on display. And the OS is Samsung's Tizen based OS 4.0. And the GPU is a Mali T720. It doesn't have a memory card slot. 4 gigabytes of RAM. No camera. So this device also comes in 4 different colors: silver, black, rose gold, and sea green. But I've got the black, all black version. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut the box open and take a look inside. Okay, let's cut this seal. And in case you all didn't know, do not accept a device if the seal has already been broken. That means somebody's already had it. Somebody's already had the dirty paws on it. Alright, let's see if I can get this out. Oh, the box also has this nice little handle as well. Come on. Got you. I got you. Okay. Okay, so we have a replaceable strap. And this is the smartwatch. Wow. Looks really nice. And you get these little sleeves to cover the straps. And I'm guessing this is the wireless charger. Yep. Take the plastic off that. So you just plug this in to your PC, or your if you have a 3-pin charger, you can just plug this into the 3-pin charger, plug it into the wall, and then you just rest the smartwatch on there like that to charge it. And it's also magnetic, so as you can see there, it attaches well. It's not going to fall off or anything. So yeah, that's really cool. But wow, the watch looks very nice. I think that's the heart rate sensor. Okay, let's power it on. Okay guys, I had to put a little charge inside the battery. I had to charge it up a bit because the battery was totally dead out of the box. So I've just charged it to about 10%, so I'm going to power it on. Okay, so it's this button, you have to hold it down to actually power it on. And wow, the Super AMOLED display on this thing is absolutely beautiful. The only thing I don't really like about this display, the bezels are pretty big. Let's go. Battery low, charging needed. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna try set this bad boy up. So need to download the Galaxy wearable app. Get started. Pick your device, Galaxy Watch Active. Allow. Okay, so I need to pair it with the phone. Tap to connect. Check your phone to complete setup. Install Watch Active plugin. And this watch, it will also work with iOS. And you don't need a Samsung phone. It should work with any Android device running Android 5.0 or higher. Oh guys, I've just noticed while that's installing, I've just noticed in the box there's also packaging here with quick start guide and warranty card. Okay, so check your phone to complete setup. Okay, so I think I need to install the Samsung accessory service. Okay, so it's finally paired. It took a while to do. Congrats on your new Galaxy Watch active. Agree. Okay. Okay, let's swipe around to see widgets. Swipe right for notifications. Press back key to go back. Press home key to find your apps. Open the quick panel by swiping down. Touch the screen with your palm to turn it off. Touch the screen with your palm to turn it off. That's it. All done. Enjoy your watch. Okay, daily activities, burn more calories, work out daily, move every hour, app shortcuts. And these are all the applications: Samsung Health, Calendar, Bixby, Contacts, Phone, Recent Apps, Calendar, Alarm, Settings, Galaxy Store, and Weather. Yeah. So this is the charger, guys. So I've just plugged it in and it's wireless charging like I said before. So as you can see there, it's charging. It's on 10%. It says good night there. So I'm going to charge this and I'm going to download some more applications and get it set up properly and everything. But yeah, this is just my unboxing of my new Samsung Galaxy Active Watch. It's my first smartwatch, so I had a bit of trouble setting it up. I'm not really familiar in the smartwatch department. But yeah, this is selling like I says for £140 right now, reduced from £200 at Argos UK. I believe it's selling for the same price, £140 on Amazon UK as well. So if you can't get this at Argos, you can get it from Amazon UK for the exact same price, £140. I recommend getting this quick before the price goes back up. Anyway, that's it for the video, guys. It's your boy, the Android Doctor. If you want to see more videos on this smartwatch, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will make some videos. Anyway, I'm out. Deuces. Remember to give the video a like. Peace.